Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mitsubishi Outlander maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the information button on your steering wheel. You'll need to press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display options on your instrument cluster. This initial step is crucial for accessing the correct menu. Once you see the service required message on your display, stop pressing the information button. Now, press and hold that same information button for a few seconds. You'll notice the service required message will start to flash, indicating you've entered the reset mode. This confirms you are in the correct menu to proceed with the reset. After the message flashes, release the button briefly, then press and hold it one more time. This final press and hold action will complete the reset process. The maintenance light should now disappear from your display, confirming it has been successfully reset. To save this new setting, simply turn off your ignition. To ensure the reset was successful, start your engine and confirm that the maintenance light does not reappear on your dashboard. Remember, regular vehicle maintenance is absolutely key to preventing these warning lights from showing up in the first place. Keeping up with your service schedule helps maintain your vehicle's optimal performance and ensures its longevity for many miles to come. Also, if you want your car smelling fresh and inviting, be sure to check the description below for a direct link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.